In this video, let's talk about what wheel spaces do on wheels. First off, let's clear the air. What exactly are wheel spaces? In simple terms, wheel spaces are simple yet in-generation devices that create more clearance between your wheel and the vehicle top. They are essentially rings that fit over the existing wheel stud lug-nut. They push the wheel outwards, which not only improves your car stance, but can also enhance handling by creating more clearance for brake components and suspension modifications. Whether you are after a more aggressive look or improved performance dynamics, wheel spaces like the Bonus are engineered to deliver. So, why should you consider the Bonus over other options? Let's break it down. First, the material quality. Bonus manufactures wheel spaces with aircraft-grade Bosch 60626 aluminum alloy, which feature many desirable properties such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, enhanced resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Forging provides higher performance spaces than casting, and further enhance the hardness and toughness of the spaces. With the same material and cost, the strength and safety of forged spaces are far higher than casting ones. For those of us who push our right part, reliability is key, and these spaces deliver on that front without compromise. Next up is the design. Bonus has clearly put through into the engineering, offering a design that enhances both performance and aesthetics. In addition, Bonus Sports active cooling wheel spaces are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spaces. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. With the Bonus, you are looking at an improved wheel offset that tightens your car's stance and gives you that aggressive, race-ready look. And it's not just about style. The increased offset can also help improve braking performance by optimizing weight distribution across your wheel assembly. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the best things about the Bonus is its straightforward design, making installation a breeze. Even if you are not a seasoned mechanic, Bonus doesn't cut corners when it comes to durability. These spaces are rigorously tested to ensure they can withstand the spaces of high-performance driving, meaning you can trust them to perform under pressure. And let's face it, when you are pushing your car to its limits, reliability is not just a bonus, it's a necessity. For anyone in the American car turning scene, these spaces represented a smart, performance driving upgrade. If you are serious about performance modifications, the Bonus is worth a serious look. If you have any questions about the wheel spaces, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.